Right in front of you.
The black one right here?
Yeah.
Now, why
Big
is
is
crap in your truck?
compared to the other one.
How could you distinguish them? I can't distinguish them from the
Look
bowl.
underneath.
Look, one of them got the.
Oh, look at the little ones, man. Those are cows. Calves, right?
That's a
Yeah,
black
that's, the
guy.
mommy,
Cat.
that's the mommy right there in the blue. This one. That's the new mommy, number 4.
His neck.
Hey, ya son like quitas in there.
I hate it. You wait.
Get that out of there.
What is that? What is that you're giving them? Because what kind of food is that?
That's a mixture.
Come in here, you get closer to him.
Huh?
Huh?
I can get close.